अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक होंगे और अच्छी लाइफ आपकी गुजरी होगी। आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है मेसोथेलिया जो है वो क्यूरेबल है या नहीं, कि उसका जो इलाज है वो पॉसिबल है या नहीं। तो वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करता हूँ। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद है वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। तो वीडियो कंटिन्यू करता हूँ। Mesothelioma has no cure, but specialists can help patients manage cancer side effects and improve their quality of life. Treatments for mesothelioma include surgery, chemotherapy, radiations, and clinical trial. Seek specialized medical care for better outcomes. Is meso is metho is mesothelioma curable? There is currently no definitive cure for any type of mesothelioma at any stage. However, the prognosis for stage 1 or stage 2 is more favorable than later stages. Patients with peritoneal mesothelioma typically survive longer than pleural mesothelioma patients. Doctors focus on controlling the cancer to make patients as comfortable as possible. However, some patients enter long-term remissions or have no evidence of disease after cancer treatment such as surgery, chemotherapy, and immunotherapy. Breakthrough in clinical trial are getting closer to find a cure for mesothelioma with experimental treatments. Some survivors live longer than the typical mesothelioma life expectancy despite the aggressive nature of this rare cancer. Closer to a cure than before. Finding an absolute mesothelioma cure still may be years away, but there are many ways to control cancer side effects and improve quality of life. Advances in palliative treatment have allowed many mesothelioma patients to remain active after their diagnosis. A poor prognosis is no longer the norm at specialty centers with experience in treating this rare disease. Patients with an early diagnosis live longer thanks to mesothelioma specialists and emerging therapies at skilled treatment facilities. Mesothelioma research to find a cure. Doctors and researchers are working on developing a mesothelioma cure by improving conventional. As a result of this mesothelioma research, surgeries are more precise, therapies are more exact, and chemotherapy and radiations are more effective. Researchers are refining these treatments to find a mesothelioma cure. Chemotherapy. The most effective chemotherapy treatment combines the FDA approved drugs pemetrexed and cisplatin. Researchers are now looking at the possibilities of adding Avastans to the combination. The hope is that all three drugs will delay the cancer spread and increase overall survival rates. Surgery. Extrapleural pneumonectomy, pleurectomy, and decortications and cytoreductive surgeries with hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy or HIPEC and mature mesotherapy surgeries. Researchers are evaluating if adding heated chemotherapy and cryotherapy freezing of tumors to certain surgical procedure will improve overall effectiveness. Radiations intensity modulated radiation therapy, also known as IMRT, is becoming the preferred form of radiation for mesothelioma because it precisely targets tumors from multiple directions without harming healthy tissues. Tumor treating fields, also known as TT fields, this new therapy use alternative electrical fields to stop tumor growing and spreading. In 2019, it becomes it became the second therapy approved by US Food and Drug administrations to treat pleural mesothelioma. Multimodal. A multimodal therapy approach that combines surgery with chemotherapy and radiation has proven effective in early stages patients. Even patients who are not candidates for surgery have found chemotherapy and immunotherapy combination that can work for you. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरा मेसोथेलिया क्योर से रिलेटेड ये वाला वीडियो पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वीडियो पसंद है लाइक कर देना।